Let the games begin.
I'm fat, bald, fatty, fat. Screw you! Dude, you'd get a closed casket at the ugly cemetery. Woo!
Piece of crap!
Hey, Lord Fat, those heart arteries don't stop bullets, do they? Yo, incoming!
Nah!
Look at this. Woo! Boink!
You think you're better than me? You're for another. How's that feel, you blockhead?
Look at you chuckleheads down there. Nope, sorry. Today ain't your day, pancakes.
You're like a little bunny, scurrying around, eating up your lettuce and berries.
You just got freaking dominated, knucklehead. All right, let's do this.
Go to hell and tell the devil I'm.
I wanna headbutt you. I wanna headbutt you. Ah, crap.
Bloody hell!
Nope.
Anyone?
Sorry. Nope.
Let that be a bloody lesson to you.
Several unfunny voice lines later.
Creep!
Who's the tough guy now? Huh, tough guy? What? No.
I win! Grow some hair on your face and come and try me again, lad. Thanks, mate. You suck!